Ayan. So, next topic tayo guys. So, sa ating engineering videos. So, under engineering mathematics pa rin. So, analytic geometry, slope of a line. Sige. Tackle natin tong problem na to. Calculate the slope of the line passing through 4, -5 and 1, -3. Sige, start tayo. Okay. To introduce, no? Ang slope of the line, alam natin, dinedenote siya as letter M. Di ba kung pagka dumating na tayo sa straight line, meron tayong form of a line na y is equal to mx plus b, which is yung m na to, yan daw yung slope of a line. So, kaya dinidetect. Kaya ang slope ay ini-introduce natin as letter M. Pero, kasi nakasanayan na yan sa na letter M. By definition, ang slope M is equal siya sa rise over run. Which is, mathematically, ang pinaka-general formula na is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Yan ang pinakagagamitin nating formula for slope of a line. Tandaan nyo lang yan, guys. So, gamitin natin siya dito. Calculate the slope of the line. Paano ba natin use ito? Passing through 4, -5 and 1, -3. Sige. So, i-substitute na natin dyan siya. So, slope is equal to, mausad yung page ko, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, substitute lang natin. Ano ba yung tinuturo natin y sub 2 siya? Ito, -3. So, -3 minus y sub 1, which is itong 5. Yan. Over x sub 2, which is 1, minus x sub 1 minus 4. So, ang lalabas dito is -8 over -4. Ang sagot natin is 2. Yan. Yun yung sagot, guys. Ganun lang siya kadali. Tama ba? Yan. Tama yan. So, ulit check natin. Ang slope, tatandaan nyo, rise over run. So, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, pag sinubstitute natin, yung y sub 2 natin, ito -3 minus y sub 1, which is 5, over x sub 2, which is 1 minus 4. Ayan. Ay, mali pala guys. Dito pala is, buti na nire-check natin. -3 pala. So, -3. So, yan, magiging 8 over 3. Tama pala. Kasi yung, so, yan. Yan yung sagot natin, guys. Fill the stroke. Blue, para kita. So, yan. Yan ang slope natin. So, next problem tayo. Add lang tayo ng page. Hindi ko pala na-type ang problem na next. Type na lang din natin. Okay. A line has a slope of 3 over 2. If the points, na guys, di ko nasulat kanina. 2, 3, and x5 are both in the given line, what should be the value of x? So, yun ang problem natin. So, a line has a slope of 3 halves. If the points 2 and 3 and x are both in the given line, what should be the value of x? So, same pa rin guys yung gagawin natin. Slope m is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, ano ba yung So, ngayon, since may given na slope, equate lang natin. Since nasa parehong line naman sila, so equate lang natin. Kung yung slope natin is 3 halves, yan. So, gamitin pa natin to formula na to. So, yung y sub 2 natin, yung 5 minus 3 over x minus 2. So, substitute natin. So, para magiging 3x minus 2 is equal to yung 5 minus 3 is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, further simplifying, x minus 6 is equal to 4. So, lipat natin. 3x is equal to 10. Tayo sumulat. Nag-back. And dito. Sorry guys. Yan. So, 3x is equal to 10. So, magiging x is equal to 10 over 3. Yan ang value dapat ng x natin. So, yan. So, tatandaan nyo lang lagi, ang slope of the line is itong formula na to. Okay. So, yun. For our next topics, no, please like and subscribe sa YouTube natin, pati sa TikTok natin, guys, for more engineering topics. So, good luck!